art friends! Today, we're going to draw, color, and discover some fun facts about hippos, those big but super adorable animals. And don't forget, at the end of this video, there's a little challenge for you. Can you spot the different hippo? Let's see if you notice it. Ready? Let's begin! First, let's sketch some soft, curvy lines for our mother and baby hippo. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals right after elephants and rhinos. Their name comes from ancient Greek, meaning river horse, because hippos spend most of their lives in the water. They live in rivers, lakes, and swamps across sub-Saharan Africa, where cool water keeps them comfy under the hot sun. A hippo's body is big and round, with thick grayish or pinkish-brown skin. An adult hippo can weigh up to 3 tons. That's super heavy. But in the water, they move gracefully and easily. Even though hippos can't actually swim, they walk, jump, and glide along the river bottom, holding their breath for up to 5 minutes at a time. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils sit high on their heads, so they can see and breathe while most of their body stays underwater. Great job! Our sketch looks so cute already. Now, let's add some colors to our hippo family. You can use any colors you like, but here's my idea. A soft yellow for the baby hippo. And guess what? Their skin produces a pinkish, oily liquid that works like natural sunscreen. It protects them from the sun and keeps their skin moist and healthy. Hippos are gentle herbivores. They love munching on soft grass by the river, mostly at night. Even though they have huge teeth and powerful jaws, they don't hunt other animals. They only use them to protect themselves or defend their territory. A warm orange for the mother. Male hippos are strong and protective, while mother hippos are caring and kind. A mother and baby hippo together, the little one playing by her side, is such a sweet symbol of love and peace in the wild. Fooled by their slow looks, hippos are smart and full of personality. They talk to each other with grunts, roars, and even deep underwater sounds. Their voices can travel through both air and water. Isn't that amazing? Sadly, hippos are becoming fewer in number due to habitat loss and hunting. But in art and culture, they remain a lovely symbol of joy, kindness, and calm. With their round bodies and smiling faces, hippos easily steal everyone's heart, especially kids who love animals. And a touch of sky blue for their legs to make it more lively. trace over the outlines to make the drawing pop. And add a few bright decorations to make them look even more cheerful. Now, let's add the finishing touches to our drawing. Fix a few details and bring our mother and baby hippo to life. Aren't they adorable and full of feeling? And here comes the little challenge. Can you spot the hippo that looks a bit different? If you can, tell us your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to draw more cute animals with me, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cute Sketch, so you won't miss our next colorful adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.